Hello guys, Jomari here. So, ngayon pala, meron akong mahalagang bisita. So, ipapakilala ko siya sa inyo later on. Pero ngayon, didiscuss ko muna kung anong content ng video na to. So, guys, meron tayo ngayong challenge. So, I will make him to her makeup challenge to, guys. So, kung napapansin niyo, ito yung mga gamit ko na hindi kumpleto kasi iniwan ko yung mga ibang gamit ko dun sa bahay namin. So, guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, ito na siya. Hi! So, siya pala si Vince Victoria. So, ayun guys. Lalaki siya, pero bakla siya. So, gagawin ko siya sa maging babae guys. So, good luck. So,
Babaeng
guys,
gagawin babae.
i-speed ko na lang to in 3, 2, 1. So guys, here's the final look.
I-edit mo yan. Wait lang kasi, friend.
Pero pasok ang kilay na nag-iba yung mukha mo. Parang umbaw, mag-smile ka naman, parang mimii. Yan, mimii ka.
Sarap. Okay na yan.
Oo. Out na lang natin yung pala. So guys, if you like that video, please give this video a massive thumbs up. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel. And guys, don't forget to click the notification bell beside that subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video of mine. So guys, always remember, be gorgeous, be glamorous, be authentic, be Michaelicious. Bye guys!